So let us look at a circle with a centre HK. So this equation is in your log tables on page 19, and this says that the equation of any circle with centre HK and radius R is this equation here. So where you're given a point and you know the radius, and then you have H and K is the point, and then the radius is R. So let's just take an example. So if we look here, here's an example. Find the equation of a circle with centre 2, 5 and radius 7. So 2, 5 is our H and K, and our radius R is 7. So we just substitute into this equation, or into our formula that's in our log tables, and we get x minus 2 to be squared plus y minus 5 to be squared equals 49. Now you can leave it like that for the moment. You may want to simplify it if you're using it to solve another type of question, but for the moment you can just leave it like that. Just to take another example where we have the centre and the radius of the circle, we need to find it given the equation. So we can see here that we have x minus 1 and y plus 4. So what we see here, first of all, if we get the radius, which we know this is r squared, so r squared is equal to 25, therefore r is equal to 5. So we know now that the radius is 5. Now, when we look at our formula from our log tables, we see that we have x minus h plus y minus k. Here we have x minus 1. So if we just substitute in our points here and we say x minus 1, that's fine. So we know that that's h is going to be equal to 1. And then we have y minus 4 will give me the plus 4 that we have here. So what we know then is that k must be equal to minus 4.